We see it every day, that stubborn white haze on your shower glass. Those spots on your fixtures that just won't go away. You scrub, you clean, and you use the strongest chemicals, but the mineral scale always wins. This isn't just a cleaning problem, it's a water problem. For decades, the answer has been the traditional salt-based water softener,
relying on time-tested chemistry to battle the effects of hard water in every room of the house.
These systems are the industry standard, using a large resin tank and a brine tank to physically pull minerals out of your water. They are effective, but they come with a footprint, taking up significant space in your utility room. Inside the tank, ion exchange swaps calcium for sodium, but this process requires constant upkeep. Every few weeks, you're hauling heavy bags of salt, and during the regeneration cycle, these systems must flush gallons of brine water down the drain, a recurring cost to both your wallet and the environment. But what if there was a simpler way? Enter the salt-free water conditioner. Unlike softeners, these systems don't remove minerals, they transform them. By changing the molecular structure of the minerals, they are prevented from sticking to your pipes and glass. No salt bags to lift, no wastewater, no electricity. Just a compact, inline solution that works silently in the background. Whether you prefer the slick feel of softened water or the natural, eco-friendly approach of a salt-free system, the choice depends on your home's needs. One offers total mineral removal, the other offers effortless protection. Take a moment to consider what matters most to you, total softness or total simplicity. The result is the same, clarity you can see and water you can trust.
To learn which salt-free systems work best for different homes, visit Scale Free Life for simple comparisons and trusted guidance.